Welcome to AutomateNG. Today, we are exploring AI tools that save time. Whether you run a business, study, or work professionally, AI can cut hours from your day. This guide is practical, beginner-friendly. Let us get started. Here is your roadmap for this video. We cover 6 key areas: what AI tools are, the main time-saving categories, how businesses apply them, the best tools per task, mistakes to avoid, and your clear action plan. By the end, you will know exactly which AI tools to use and why. Section 1 is the introduction. Before looking at specific tools, we need to understand what an AI tool is and why they matter. This sets the foundation, so every tool we discuss later makes complete sense. An AI tool is simply software powered by artificial intelligence. It performs tasks automatically, saving you time, effort, and cost. 3 things define every good AI tool. It automates repetitive tasks, it learns and gets smarter, and it scales to work for anyone. These are real statistics on time savings. Workers using AI save about 2 hours daily on email alone, and content creation is 40% faster. Customer response time drops by 70%, and AI-assisted workers complete 5 times more tasks. For a business, this is transformational. AI time-saving tools fall into 6 clear categories: writing and content, image and design, video and audio, research and data, scheduling and admin, and workflow automation. We will cover each category in detail to show you the best tools for each job. Section 2 focuses on writing and content AI. If there is one category of AI tools that saves the most time for the most people, it is this one. Writing takes hours. AI cuts that to minutes. Let us look at the top tools and how to use them in your business. Here are 4 leading AI writing tools. ChatGPT is great for general writing. Claude AI excels at long, detailed documents. Jasper AI specializes in marketing copy, and Copy.ai is ideal for social media content. All can cut your writing time by 60% to 80% and offer free tiers to get started. Here is the exact workflow for writing a full blog post using AI in 5 minutes. You type the topic, the AI drafts the post, you personalize it, AI proofreads it, and then you publish. This saves you 3 to 4 hours manually every time you create content. You no longer need a designer for every visual. Canva AI creates complete designs from text. Adobe Firefly produces professional images. DALL-E 3 generates photorealistic visuals quickly. Remove.bg eliminates backgrounds instantly, and Ideogram creates logo-quality graphics. These tools replace design fees every month. Video and audio content creation is now easier than ever. Descript lets you edit video like a document. 11 Labs creates professional voiceovers. Pictory turns a blog post into a video automatically. Adobe Podcast removes noise. Runway ML generates video scenes. Whisper AI transcribes recordings in seconds. Research is one of the most time-consuming tasks. Perplexity AI summarizes the web with citations. Consensus searches academic papers. ChatGPT can summarize documents and answer complex questions. Notion AI organizes and searches your notes intelligently. What used to take 3 hours now takes 3 minutes. Admin tasks can be automated. Calendly eliminates scheduling back and forth. Superhuman AI manages your inbox. Otter.ai records and summarizes meetings. Reclaim AI protects your focus time. Zapier connects your apps. And N8N builds powerful custom workflows for any business process. Section 3. AI Workflow Automation. Using individual AI tools is powerful, but connecting them into automated workflows multiplies the time savings dramatically. This section shows you how to chain AI tools to automate complete business processes from start to finish. This workflow automates customer service. A customer sends a message. N8N captures it. AI understands the intent. An auto reply is sent in under 5 seconds, and the lead is logged automatically. This saves 3 to 5 hours daily and ensures zero missed leads. This content pipeline workflow is the ultimate time saver. You input one topic, and the AI drafts a blog post and generates social captions. Canva AI creates the visual, Pictory builds a video, and N8N publishes everything automatically. One topic becomes 6 pieces of content in under 30 minutes. Section 4. Real-world use cases. AI tools are already saving time across businesses. Let us look at specific, practical examples across different industries to see the measurable impact. Every industry benefits from AI tools. E-commerce businesses save 6 hours daily using AI for product descriptions and customer chat. Healthcare saves 4 hours on notes. Whatever your industry, there are specific AI tools designed to save you time immediately. These are real AI use cases from Nigerian businesses. A Lagos fashion brand saved $180K monthly using an AI chatbot. An Abuja coaching business tripled email output with ChatGPT. These results are achievable by any business starting today. Section 5. Business applications. Now let us talk about building your own AI tool stack, a combination of tools that work together to run your business more efficiently. We will look at practical, affordable setups built for Nigerian entrepreneurs and SMEs. This practical AI tool stack for SMEs includes a WhatsApp AI bot for service, ChatGPT and Canva AI for content, Perplexity for research, and N8N for workflow automation. The combined time saving is 8 to 15 hours per day for a very modest monthly cost. Without AI tools, you could waste 10 hours weekly on repetitive tasks. With AI tools, the same tasks take about an hour and a half. That is over 8 hours per week reclaimed, demonstrating a massive return on investment, or ROI. Section 6. Common mistakes. Knowing what not to do saves you as much time as knowing what to do. These are the most frequent mistakes when businesses first adopt AI tools, and we will cover how to avoid them. Avoid these 6 mistakes. Always review AI output. Master one tool before adding another. Use human judgment for final decisions. Never input confidential data into free AI tools. Start with free tiers, and invest time in learning these tools. Before adopting any AI tool, run it through 5 checks. Does it solve a specific time problem? Does it have a free tier? Is it easy to use? Does it integrate with your apps? And is your data safe? These checks prevent wasting resources on unfitting tools. Section 7. Future AI tool trends. The AI tools available today are impressive, but what is coming next will be even more powerful. Understanding these trends positions you to adopt them early and stay ahead of the competition. Future trends include AI agents handling multi-step tasks, voice-to-everything content creation, personalized AI learning your brand voice, predictive scheduling, real-time translation, and no-code AI builders for powerful automation. Section 8. Summary and Action Plan. We have covered a lot of ground. Now, let us bring it all together and give you a clear, simple action plan you can start today. Knowledge without action is wasted, so let us make this training impactful. You now know AI tools save 8 to 15 hours weekly. 6 categories cover every time drain. Writing AI cuts content time by 80%, and combined workflows multiply savings. Remember, you can start for free today and scale your business using AI. Thank you for watching this AutomateNG video. Visit aiworkflow.com.ng to explore our services. You can also fill out our free AI automation inquiry form or WhatsApp us directly at +234 805 386 6663. We are ready to help you build your AI-powered business today.